Welcome student in first session from your textbook chapter number 2 microorganism friend and foe, and this chapter is related to biology. So micro means what? Very small. An organism means living creature. So small creature. Friend and foe, friend means दोस्त and foe means दुश्मन. So microorganism हमारे friend भी है और दुश्मन भी है. Okay, we will study in this chapter. So you have seen several kinds of plants, animals. Okay, however there are other living organisms around us which we normally cannot see. So that we cannot see are called the microorganism or microbes. So microorganism, these microbes are so small in size that they cannot be seen with naked eyes. Okay, means these are very small and we can't see with our naked eyes, means unaided eye. So these can be seen with the help of magnifying glass and microscope. Magnifying glass and microscope, these are the tools or equipment, okay, instrument. Those means with the help of this we can see the small microorganism in large in size, means आप उसको बड़े size में देख सकते हो. Clear? So now means who study this microorganism, okay, who study the microorganism, that is called the microbiologist. Okay, means जो इस microorganism की study करता है उसके microbiologist कहते हैं. And Antony van Leeuwenhoek, okay, was one of the first people. Antony van Leeuwenhoek was one of the first people to observe a microorganism using a microscope of his own design and made one of the most important contribution to the biology. Means Antony van Leeuwenhoek के first means person थे जिन्होंने इसको microorganism को observe किया था by using their is self own design microscope. Okay, and then Robert Hooke was the first to use a microscope to observe the living things. Clear this one? Now we have to come to this second point, that classification of microorganism. So what is the mean of classification? Means for our convenient study, for recognize, for name them. So we have to classify the microorganisms. So that is called the classification. Clear? So microorganisms are classified into four major groups. First, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae. So these are the major groups of that microorganism. Okay, and this virus is also microscopic. Virus is also microscopic but are different from other microorganism. Means इसे microscopic इसको हम with the help of that microscope also we can see, but they are different from the other microorganisms. Other means bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. And that one more important things about that virus, inside the body cell, okay, these are living. means virus जब किसी host organism की body में जब insert करता है तो वो living रहता है, और outside the host body these are non-living. So that's why this viruses is a link in between living and non-living things. Clear this one? And this mainly these viruses are means disease causing microorganism. Clear? Now in this first classification of that microorganism, first we study about the bacteria. Unicellular. Bacteria are unicellular. Uni means single and cellular means cell. So these bacteria are unicellular microorganism, means it is a one cell that all the biological vital activities are complete in this one cell. So mostly lives in colonies, means ये colonies में रहते हैं, means separate survive नहीं करते normally. Found in different shape. Rod means that is a bacillus. Okay, found in different shape. Rod. Okay, cocci means there is a spherical shape. Okay, that, and spiral shape means spiral like structure, that's why its name is spiral in shape. Okay, and this mainly you are know that some name of that bacteria. So first one is that lactobacillus and rhizobium. These two microorganisms, that bacteria are very familiar, that lactobacillus found in the curd. Okay, in means dahi. Okay, that with the help of this lactobacillus, that milk convert into curd. So because of this, that curd will form. And this rhizobium bacteria is found in the लेग्यूमिनस रूट्स. ओके, जो लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट की जो रूट्स रहते हैं उनके नोडल्स में राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया रहते हैं. सो इट इज यूजफुल टू दैट एटमॉस्फेरिक दैट नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन, मीन्स ये फिक्स द एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन. ओके, सेकेंड इज व्हाट, फंजाई. सो इट कैन बी यूनिसेलुलर और मल्टीसेलुलर, मीन्स ये यूनिसेलुलर भी हो सकते हैं और मल्टीसेलुलर. मल्टीसेलुलर मीन्स मोर देन वन सेल. So multicellular we can see with the help of our eyes. Okay, so and unicellular को आप नहीं देख सकते. तो they are means look like a plant but they are non green plants and plant like organism. ये आपको plant जैसे दिखते हैं. Okay, that and live in colonies. For example, that yeast, penicillium, okay, rhizopus and bread mold. These we can see easily. That means bread. Okay, for example, bread को अगर आप थोड़े दिन रख देते हो तो उसमें व्हाइटिश, ग्रेइश, ग्रीनिश कलर के मीन्स मोल्ड्स दिखते हैं. ओके, फफून दिखती है. फंजाई को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में, फफून. सो दिस वी कैन सी ऑन द ब्रेड. नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट, थर्ड, प्रोटोजोआ. प्रोटोजोआ आर यूनिसेलुलर, मीन्स दीज आर आल्सो सिंगल सेल, मोस्टली फाउंड इन एक्वेटिक. ओके, डू नॉट हैव सेल वॉल, मतलब इसमें सेल वॉल नहीं रहती है और ये फ्लेक्सिबल लेयर रहते हैं. ठीक है, they have the ability during the entire life cycle or a part of the move by locomotor organelles or by a gliding mechanism. Means ये gliding mechanism के through ये movement करते हैं. Locomotor means there is a movement organ. So they are solitary और colonial, means ये single. Solitary means single भी survive कर सकते, colonial means colonies में ही found होते. And these are usually found in aquatic, means ये water bodies में found होते. For example, that amoeba and paramecium. Look at the picture. This amoeba, this not a fixed shape, but remember one thing, means कभी भी round नहीं होता है और conical means portion कभी भी इसमें नहीं होता है. And this paramecium is a sleeper shape structure. That's why that is the name is paramecium. Okay. Now next, algae. ठीक है, अलगी को हिंदी में आप सेवाल कहते हैं. ये आप इजीली देख सकते हो. जैसे जो पुराना मड पोट रहता है या फिर नदी में जब अपन जाते हैं तो आसपास जब वाटर बॉडी जहाँ पे वाटर ज्यादा जमा होते हैं वहाँ पे ग्रीनिश कलर के जो दिखते हैं जिसको अपन काही कहते हैं, हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं, काई. तो ये सेवाल रहते हैं. इट इज लुक्स लाइक ए प्लांट. ओके, सो यूनिसेलुलर भी होते हैं और मल्टी सेलुलर भी होते हैं, मीन सिंगल सेल भी एंड मोर देन वन सेल भी. एंड नॉन फ्लावरिंग दैट एक्वेटिक प्लांट, मतलब ये एक्वेटिक क्योंकि ये भी कहाँ पे फाउंड होते हैं, वाटर बॉडीज. ठीक है, नियर अबाउट द वाटर बॉडीज. सो ये क्या करते हैं, मीन्स जो वाटर का जो इतना जो आसपास के एरिया उसको स्लीपरी बना दी. इसलिए आप देखा होगा कभी भी जब अपन नदी के किनारे जाते हैं तो कभी भी आप जब उसमें पत्थर या किसी भी आपका पैर रखाते हो, स्लीपरीनेस मतलब ये चिकना बना देते हैं. ठीक है, उसको स्लीपरीनेस कॉज करते हैं. बट इट इज यूजफुल बिकॉज इट इज फिक्सेस द नाइट्रोजन ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दैट वी विल स्टडी इन द फर्दर क्लासेस. ओके, so that is for example Spirogyra and Chlamydomonas. Look at the picture, these are the algae or simply you can see this in the सेवाल. जैसे आपने उसमें देखा होगा मटके के आसपास जो पुराना मटका बाहर के साइड में वो जो लगा हुआ रहता है. ठीक है, ग्रीनिश कलर, दैट इज द सेवाल. क्लियर? नाउ रिविजन. व्हाट वी नो दैट टुडे means that microorganisms that are very small creature we cannot see with the help of our naked eyes, we can see with the help of magnifying glass and microscope. Okay, now classification of microorganism, these are four major groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, viruses also that consider as a that microorganism, and these are very small as compared to the other microorganism, and these are disease causing microorganism, and it is a link in between living and non-living thing because outside the body of the host it is inactive. Okay, and inside the host body these are active. So that's why it is called the link between that living and non-living things. Remember this. Now first we studied about the bacteria. Bacteria are unicellular microorganisms, mostly live in colonies found in different shape: rod, cocci, spiral shape, lactobacillus, that rhizobium, salmonella typhi bacteria, various bacteria are there, so we will study later. Fungi, it can be unicellular, multicellular organism. They are non-green plants, plant like microorganism. Okay, plant like organism are there, lives in colonies. For example, that yeast, penicillium, rhizopus, bread mold, and protozoa. These are unicellular, mostly found in aquatic in nature. They are solitary or colonial. For example, amoeba, paramecium. Okay, and that algae, unicellular or multicellular, that microorganism, non-flowering, that aquatic plant. For example, is Pyrogyra and Chlamydomonas. Clear? Thank you.